welcome to my C++ series. Today in this video we're just going to see that what is the conditions or what is if statement in C++, if else, and a lot of stuff as well. So in the if statement we want to execute some branch of code if the condition is correct. In sort of condition we will implement the branch of code. So for example, I declared a variable and I want to execute a block of code if the variable's value is equals to 2 as well. So let's directly jump to the code and let's see what is the if statement as well. If you already have known that what is the if statement, so stay here because you will learn a lot of advanced stuff in this video as well. So let's jump directly into the code by seeing that why we use the if statement and what is the conditional statements in C++. So for example, I declared a variable called x is equals to 5. So I will apply a condition that the block of code when the x is equals to 5. So how I will do that? Okay, I will just write if x is equals to 5, then this code whenever I will write in these braces, so whatever I will write in this if statement, it will execute if the x is equals to 5 as well. So if x is not equal to 5, then it will never execute this block of code as well. So I apply a condition on the x variable that if the condition the value is 5, then execute this block of code. For the value of x is equals to x. Okay, so right system.pause here. So after building the difference, that you can see the output is there that the value of x is equals to 5 as well. So if I change the value there, write 4 here and check it again by running, so you can see there is a no output as well. So because the x is not equal to 5 as well. First of all, move on to the else, that write else here, then I will execute in this. By running it, we can see the value of x is not equal to 5, because if the if is not running, then it will directly execute the else statement as well. So we can write else, the else if x is equals to 4, then the value of x is x here. So I write this block of code, so x is equals to 5, it will definitely execute this part of, so you can see it executed only this part of code, this block of code, because x is equals to 4 here. So I hope you all understand that what is the if statement and what is the conditional statement in the C++. Whenever this code will be executed, it will stay in the RAM. Then we will tell it that hey, if this is the value of variable, then execute this block of code in the RAM. Then it will find the address and it will execute it as well. So we can do it for other variable. For example, I have a string called switch. Okay, switch fan, switch fan is equals to on. So my switch fan is on, and I just want to check that it on, then print the output here, running. Okay, so else is not running. Okay, sorry, I don't know why this is. So I'm just going to execute it. You can see, so my switch fan is on, it outputting that your fan is running is here. Okay, if I put my switch fan as an off here, then I will build it. You will see that your fan is not running. So whatever I will put the switch fan here, then it will never execute. For example, a random number, a random thing I put here, so you will see that your fan is not executed, because else will execute that if the condition becomes false in the first phase of. Goodbye for now.